guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Haley and I have a different type of video for you guys today. So lately I've been getting super inspired by like mood board videos and videos about manifestation and law of attraction. And I have been watching Lavendaire on YouTube for like weeks now and I am so obsessed and inspired by her. Her name's Eileen and she has a few videos where she was making mood boards and I've never done that before, so I thought it'd be really fun to try out today. So I have a magazine, I have some photos I printed out from Pinterest, poster board, glue, all that kind of stuff. So before we get started, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post new videos every single week. I do a lot of lifestyle, fashion, beauty content. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna be working on my ottoman on my couch, and I have like a magazine here. I told you guys I have some photos that I thought were inspiring, some glue and scissors, and the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cut out the pictures in the magazine that I want to use and maybe some words out of there. And then I'm going to just like place everything around on the board. So let's just go ahead and get started. Kind of like arranging everything and getting things like where I want and kind of cutting things down smaller. So let's see here. the next day. It took a little longer than I thought yesterday, so it ended up getting dark, so I couldn't show you guys, but I literally just have on like the same shirt, and I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. So I'll go into everything more in detail so you can see like what everything means, but this is what it looks like as a whole. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's really cute, and I think I'm gonna frame it and put it in my office so I can see it every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it down and then zoom you guys in so I can go through everything with you and tell you what it means. Okay, so here is a better look of what it looks like. And I'm just gonna start in the corner down here. So down here, I have obviously the Brooklyn Bridge because I really, really want to go to New York for the first time. I know obviously traveling is hard right now, but I still wanted to put like my travel goals on here. And then in that same corner, I thought like the little pinky vibes were cute. I have this quote and it just says, visualize your highest self and start showing up as her. And that's just to kind of remind myself like to show up as the person that I want to be, obviously. I have a picture of Miss Kim Kardashian on here. And I know some people might have their opinions about her, but I actually admire her a lot. I really think she's a great businesswoman and just like an icon and someone who I strive to be like because I really feel like she gets stuff done. So I have her on here. I have a picture of Paris on here. I was actually watching Emily in Paris on Netflix and I just like got inspired. I really, really want to go there. I've always wanted to go there. So I put Paris on there, of course. Forbes, obviously, for money manifestation. I want to be very financially stable and I want to build wealth. So I thought that would be a good thing to put on there. Moving up here, I just have some clouds and stuff just to remind myself to spend more time in nature. And then I have a big pair of lips on here because honestly, I want to get my lips done and I always just have wanted really plump lips. So I thought I would manifest that as well. And then I just thought these were really pretty, like pieces for like to represent glamour. And then moving over here, these are little Chanel bags. And again, just with like the glamour, like I just thought that really went with everything. And just like being able to afford glamorous items. I have this quote that I really like. I am creating the life of my dreams, just to remind myself that I'm in control of everything and that I manifest the life that I have. So that's just a really good reminder. And then up here I have obviously my dream car, which is a G-Wagon. And then I just have fitness, wellness, happiness. So I thought that was good. And then over here I have like kind of like an art category. So I want to just get more into art and like history and appreciating art. And I just thought this was like a cool artsy picture. So I thought that was cool. Down here I have like really pretty nails. I wanted to manifest that. And just this Chanel sweatshirt I thought was really cool. You'll also notice I have little like designers just like sprinkled everywhere. I have Saint Laurent, Gucci, Fendi, Dior up here. So just like really, really emphasizing on like that kind of stuff and just like a luxury lifestyle. And then in the middle here, I put in the middle what is most important to me. And I really want to live at the beach. So I really just picture myself. This is a house in Malibu that I found on Zillow and I like can so see myself here. I love like how the windows just there, it's all the water around and I just thought it was really beautiful. So I have like To Paradise here and I can just really see myself living there. I put LA on here. Obviously this is like Malibu around LA. And I put perfect timing because I feel like that's just so important that everything happens in divine and right time. So I just wanted to put that reminder on here. I also put this beautiful, beautiful closet. And obviously it's just because I want the closet. Let's move down here. So down here, this is a picture of an office because I want to be a businesswoman. I want to have my own office and just a place to go and work and have a staff. So I put that on there along with the word ambition. And then I still have that like the Saint Laurent. And then I just put this really beautiful dress just because I thought it looked good there. And then moving over into this corner, this I put because I'm getting married in Mexico this year and I just wanted to manifest a beautiful reception. So this is like the kind of vibe that I'm going for. So I wanted to put that on there and I think it looks so cute. And then over here, I also have just like the nature again. And I put meditation here because I really want to make meditating a big part of my life. and just being mindful. So this is my little reminder to stay mindful. Even though I have a lot of things about luxury and glamour, this is just my reminder to stay humble, grounded, and thankful for what I have. So that's why I put that there, and just to remind myself to meditate every day. And then I also put a picture of a book here because I want to make reading a big part of my life. So I thought that would be really good to put on here, just to remind myself to read more books and be smarter and just gain knowledge. So there's that. And then I think lastly, I have a picture of myself on here because I really felt beautiful in that picture. I know that sounds like cheesy, but I just like really liked how I looked in this picture. I was very happy when this was taken. I was at my favorite place on the beach, and I just was very content in this moment. And I wanted to remind myself of what it felt like to be confident and happy and content and present. So that's why I put that on there. So that is another look of what it looks like as a whole. It was honestly very, very therapeutic to make this. And I think I'm gonna start making one for every season from now on because I just loved it. I love the process and I love how it turned out, and I love what everything represents. So yeah, guys, that is going to complete this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will check back in and let you know if any of these things manifest and become true. Let me know if you guys decide to make a manifestation mood board, and DM me a picture or tweet me a picture if you guys decide to make one, because I really want to see what you guys come up with and what it looks like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!